So today I'm going to tell you how to make a car. And you first need this. And then you put this. And then you put this part. And then you put this part. And then you put this. You put this on, and then you put another one on, and another, and then you get this, and you get one wheel, and stick it, put it inside, and then you put another one in. And then you get another one of those, and then you do the same as the first one, and then you stick them on the back, one on the back and one on the front, and we got a car.